I'm Sandy Putch, founder of Now I Lay Me Down to Sleep. This August, I have the opportunity to join all of you live at creativeLIVE to teach you a little bit more about our nonprofit organization. Now I Lay Me Down to Sleep was founded in 2005. Our goal was to provide bereavement photography for families whose babies and infants would not leave the hospital. In this class, we'll be teaching how to actually become a part of the organization. We're going to cover everything from becoming a member, through the training process, and all the way into handling bereaved families, how to work with them, and how to provide them beautiful, lasting portraits of their babies. If you'd like to join us at creativeLIVE on August 6th for this amazing and very unique opportunity to learn about bereavement photography, we'd love to have you there. I know firsthand that Now I Lay Me Down to Sleep has changed thousands of people's lives all over the world. It's truly an amazing experience, and I look forward to sharing it with you.